Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 May 2018, 08 of hour, 23 of minute and 13 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do I calibrate my joystick? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do I calibrate my joystick. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how do I calibrate my joystick. Here are the steps. To calibrate a joystick in Windows, hold the Windows key and tap R, then let up on both keys. In the Run dialog, type joy.cpl without quotes on the open line and click OK. Choose the controller you wish to calibrate and then click Properties. Click the Settings tab up top and then click Calibrate. More items. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.